Hi, my name is Himalaya and I'm the Managing Director of the BFM Fund, which is a $10 million seed stage fund that invests in Black and innovative entrepreneurs across industries within the United States. In the last year and a half, we've raised $3 million, deployed into 10 companies, and have gotten capital from both public and private entities. We've already seen significant markups, and a lot of people have asked us how we built this intentional pathway, and the answer is the team. I am incredibly fortunate to be surrounded by individuals that have over 30 years of experience starting and scaling companies, running accelerator programs, working at other venture funds, and launching prior economic development initiatives in partnerships with various states. We also have an amazing advisory board team that's filled with seasoned operators who have started and scaled their own venture funds and firms and have over $500 million of assets under management. We also are one of the few funds across the country that are run by a women of color leadership team, exclusively focus on Black founders, and target the seed stage. Our investment thesis is that we invest early and we work closely with companies over 12 to 18 months to prepare them for their Series A raise. We also act as a feeder fund, working with industry-specific Series A to Series C lead firms and giving them companies that are pre-capitalized and vetted. Our first investment is a perfect example of our thesis in action. When we invested in year one in January of 2021, we invested at a $3 million post-money valuation cap. In the last 18 months, we've worked with them to move them from a product market fit to a go-to-market fit to prepare them for the Series A raise. And so that entailed things like helping them to facilitate their technical roadmap, getting their first key hires, looking at their pricing models to incentivize recurring revenue, and most importantly, we've introduced them to industry-specific lead firms. Now they're raising their Series A at a $15 million post-money valuation. So in just the last 18 months, our fund and LPs have been able to appreciate a 5x markup. In the last year and a half, our fund and team have been able to demonstrate that we can build an intentional pathway of inclusion that allows for the majority of our companies to exit. That's because at BFM, our mission is to redefine and recreate who's the face of a successful entrepreneur. When LPs like yourself think about where to place capital in the private market and putting dollars in the hands of entrepreneurs who can scale, exit, and return capital, we want you to think about Black founders first. Together, we can change the face of entrepreneurship. We look forward to connecting and working with you to create better and more equitable outcomes.